The poet William Wordsworth is in a deep sleep. In the poem, a slumber did my spirit seal. And due to this deep sleep, the soul or the spirit of the poet is tightly bound, and no emotions or feelings are invading him. There is no expression of his happiness or sorrowness. He is in complete neutral state. This poem is written on the death of his loved one Lucy. The name of the Lucy is not mentioned in the poem. She is an imagined character which poet uses in many of his poems. Poet says that we humans have certain type of fears, to lose the people whom we love, to lose the things which we love. But here the poet has no fear. He took all the things as granted. He never thought in deepest of his heart or in deepest of his mind that one day death would take Lucy from him. Poet says that everything changes with year. We human beings have wrinkles, machine got tears and wears, or even beauty of places get faded with time. But his beloved Lucy seems like there is no effect of age on her. She doesn't grow old with time. But in the very next stanza, the death of the Lucy is clear with the line, no motion has she now, no force. She neither hears nor sees. After death of the Lucy, she is in state of complete rest. She cannot move, hear or even see. She buried in the earth, and like rock, stone, trees, she is rotating along with the earth.